Yeah, oh, snap.
Sorry. Get the fish. Get the fish.
Can you re-put this on here?
Pick it up. Ashlyn, pick up the fish.
Hold on, you have to get it to calm down.
No, don't step on it.
I get it to calm down.
No, my God. All right, well, surprise, surprise, everybody. We are back. Yes, we are still here, live and well, still full-time in the RV, kicking right along. So a big question we've been getting from a lot of followers is, where are you guys at? We have been missing from our weekly long-form posts for about 6 months. It's been really hit or miss whether or not we get a video up. And that is because of some scheduling issues. We're going to talk about that today. But that's all about to change. We got some cool stuff going on. We're still in North Georgia, although we have moved down the road a little bit. We're going to talk about where we are, what we're doing here, and everything that is going on that we're excited about. So stick around if you want to catch up on all the news here today with us, Home On The Hitch. All right, guys, so welcome back. Yep, here we are, and this right here is the Edeto River in North Georgia, if you know anything about the landscape here. So we are hanging out at a new resort here right off the river. So yeah, we are still in North Georgia, but we're just a little farther south than we were. We moved here for a very specific reason. So you got 3 stock lakes here at the RV resort. Catch and release, you don't need any type of license for those. You do need a fishing license if you're going to be fishing in the Edeto River over here. So I'm going to head on back over to the RV. We'll give you a bit more of a tour of the campground here in a little while. I'm going to head back over to the RV. We're going to grab Melissa so we can sit down and talk about where it is that we've been and what's been going on. So you can tell it's been a while because we just filmed that whole segment with no sound. That's okay. Amateur hour. Hey, look, it's Devin. There's Devin. Yeah, he don't know it yet, but he's gonna be on YouTube.
Shocker.
Shocker. Still no people there.
No, they must be
They were
carb loading.
They were having a good time last night. Well, that's all right. So one of the big questions we've been getting lately, guys, is where have we been? And because we've been gone from our regular posting, our weekly postings for quite a while now. We've been putting up videos here and there, and but we're still here, still full-time in the RV. If you've been following the channel for a while, I'm a travel nurse, and it just so happened that I ended up on a night shift contract and was working nights pretty much 4 days a week for about 9 months, and those days were not all in a row, so that doesn't leave a whole lot of time to be able to put energy into making YouTube videos, because this is not our job. It doesn't pay our bills. We do it because we like it and we love meeting people that watch our videos. So thank you if you do support us. But yeah, it just kind of fizzled out there for a little while.
Right, so you might be wondering where we are.
Yep.
So we were lucky enough that Thomas found us this work camping place, and it happens to be really close to our home base. So we've been spending a lot of time with our parents and our kids, and you know, taking care of our health and other things that we don't normally publicize.
Right.
But here we are.
Here at Winding Waters RV Resort in Cartersville, Georgia. It's kind of a little to the west of where we were in the Calhoun, LJ area. That's a whole different area of North Georgia, but yeah, so I just kind of happened upon this opportunity one night while I was working night shift and emailed them, and here we are. So we had talked about this for a while, ever since we went to Alaska with Ken and Barb, and we were at the KOA in Fairbanks, and they were looking for work campers up there, and that just kind of sparked the interest, and we've toyed with it. You know, it would have to be the right opportunity for us, because like I said, I do have to be somewhere close to wherever I'm working a contract, so it's got to be a work camping opportunity. Everything's just got to line up, and this did. So it's given us the opportunity to come give it a try, and so far it's worked out pretty well. Very nice place to kind of hang out in this area. There's so much to do in the Cartersville area. We got 3 stocked ponds here. As you'll see, the river's on the other side of these trees. We'll get down here to where we can see it a little bit better. But yeah, this is kind of the area that Melissa and I grew up in. So, and we're what, 25 minutes away from our home base.
Right, where we went to high school.
Yeah, so this is home, really.
Yeah, so this is great. This place actually holds a lot of memories for us.
Yep.
You know, we used to go fishing with our parents and even our kids here on the Etowah River.
Yeah.
There's a lot of history around here.
Yeah.
Also, you have Cooper's Furnace, which is currently closed at the moment.
Right.
But Cartersville itself has a lot of history. We have a lot of history with the railroad. They have museums, a great city square with restaurants, and you're very closely located to Metro Atlanta, so that's easy access to all the fun stuff that's available there.
A lot of stuff here, a lot of stuff to do. So that's where we're at, and that's what we're doing. But now I am on back on days or mid shifts, as I prefer it, like 12 to 12, 1 to 1. So it gets me out of traffic in the morning and the evening, and I can come home and go to bed and get up and still have a productive day. So I like it. You can stay straight. It'll open up for you. Yeah, so this is Winding Waters in Cartersville, Emerson, Georgia. We've had a lot of fun here so far. We've been here about 2 months. We've been lucky enough. We've had some friends plan to come by, and they spent the 4th of July weekend with us here. And we have some friends that kind of happenstanced here.
Well, so being so close to home, it was just a matter of time before we ran
Right.
into somebody that we knew. So lo and behold, this weekend, an old friend of ours
Yep.
appeared out of nowhere
With their family and hanging out,
and
came camping here, and just happened to run into Mel at the snack shack. That's what Melissa does here pretty much for 2/3 of our hours that we work for our site. Is she, works the snack shack, and there's Mel in there in the snack shack. Let's to get past the fan, so it's the snack lady.
Yeah, come see me and grill some chicken tenders.
So yeah, this is where Mel works, and she does this like 4 or 5 days a week. And she probably can't hear me because there's a big air curtain right there, and you may be able to hear it. But really awesome pool area. I'm not gonna keep it on there too long because there's a lot of people out there swimming. But yeah. That's it.
How you doing?
Yeah, we're doing good. All right, I'm gonna go do some stuff, and I will see you after a while.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
All right. Mwah. And then I do a day or half a day or whatever, doing maintenance or escort people on the busier days to their site, and that's how we pay for our site. And it's honestly a wonderful break from having to go to the hospital for me anyway. It's pretty awesome. If you look over here, this is the pool area, and I'm going to try to get some shots later of it, or maybe overlay it over this. It's a really fast slides up there, huge hot tub, lazy river's heated. It's really nice up there. They've got a little meeting hall activity room. So this place has really only been open for about a year now. This is one of the 3 stock ponds. So things are still growing in, they got the growing pains of a new place. So far it's been pretty busy, but we're heading into the off season. They're still having the growing pains from like a new resort would, but that's to be expected. It is August, we're going into September, so we've only got a few holidays left. And then I think once we get past October, we'll really kind of see. Last year we were at Talona Ridge in LJ. We may be back there again, I don't know, for the winter time this year, I don't know.
But that is the joy of living full-time in your RV, is that you have the ability to move.
Yeah, it is. We may stay here during the winter. It just all depends on what happens with the availability of the work camping positions, and if there's the hours here for us to get what we need to pay for our site. But we've been blessed. We just haven't been present on YouTube because, contrary to what a lot of people may think, it's not vacation. We still enjoy it when we travel and go places and see things, and we love the RV lifestyle. But you're still living life, so you still have health issues and pet issues and jobs and all those things. Life problems still happen.
Right. Honey is about to have a little surgery,
Yep,
so
so
please say a little prayer
say
for
a little
her.
prayer for Honey Dog.
And then please say a prayer for us because we have 2 daughters that will be getting married in the
Yep.
next year or so.
Yeah, we got a couple of engagements under our belt now, and engagement parties and all the stress that comes with that. So it's just been a lot, but we're still here, and we're gonna get back now that I'm back on days. Try to get back in a more regular posting schedule because we like making videos for the people that do watch. And we do have some people that watch religiously.
So one advantage for me to being a work camper in the snack station is that I get to socialize and I really get to talk to people, and it's been great because we have been kind of isolated with Thomas's past few contracts.
Yeah.
And of course making new friends, and if you ever see us in public,
Say hello.
you'll most likely get a sticker.
Yeah, Mel will give you a sticker if we got it. She carries them most of the time.
If I have any.
Yeah. So the kids are supposed to come see us today, and I think they're already here while we're riding around recording this. So
let's hurry back and see who we can find.
Y'all didn't get eaten by my attack dog?
Nope. Nope.
Reel it in. Don't give it up.
Back it up. Back up.
Back it up, Terry.
Just keep reeling and backing up.
I told you there was something grabbing it. Okay, get it off of there, Cody.
Get it off of there, Cody.
I want to hold it. Well, you know what they told me was to just step on it.
Well, it's different here.
Cody, get it off of there so I can hold it.
It's catch and release.
I don't like it.
It's going, ow, ow, ow.
Aww. Cody.
Yeah, man. Oh, snap.
Sorry.
Get the fish. Get the fish.
Can you re-put this on here?
Pick it up. Ashlyn, pick up the fish.
Hold on, you have to get it to calm
No,
down.
don't step on it.
I get it to calm down.
No, my God. There's a monster fish.
Ashland, give me a picture. Okay.
We're eating sushi tonight.
Cody, your turn next.
Get off there.
Don't! Get it off. Abby, get it out of my, put it down here. Come in. You have to get it to relax. Watch, I'm gonna show you. Oh, well there it went itself. Oh, okay. Get it. Now we have to pick it up. So watch, let me tell you. You don't step on it, you just lightly press it. It relaxes.
Lightly press.
And then you pick it up.
Out of fear for its life. So we always love when the girls come by and see us. That was a lot of fun. We had a really good time.
Oh, they were so cute.
Enjoyed
fishing.
it. Yeah, it was. It was a lot of fun. And that's another great thing about being so close to home, because we're not always so close to home. So we're trying to enjoy it while we're here. Spend as much time with them as we can, you know. So we got a lot of stuff coming up. A lot from Winding Waters here, of course, as we do our work camping stuff here. So stick around to see how that goes. We got some travels coming up. We're going to Savannah next month for what was going to be the Hootenanny, but you know, with being on night shift and just not being able to post or put any time into it, we really couldn't promote it or push it. So we do have some people who are going, and we're still going. So I guess we'll call it a Hootenanny, but we're just going to kind of hang out and enjoy the time together and go out to eat and see some sights. So if you're coming down there, we're still going, and we'll see you there, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And then hopefully in March and April, we're going to be back down in Mayo, Florida with some friends for a while, and there's going to be a lot going on there. But we've got a lot to film in this area, and we're going to get out and start doing it, and we're glad you guys are here. So thanks for catching up with us today on Home on the Hitch. This is where we're at. Hopefully we're going to start posting more regularly again, because we do miss it and we miss you guys. But thanks for hanging around. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Until next time, take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count. We'll see you next time, guys. Update, breaking back in. That's why you always use tablecloth, picnic table covers, is because people put trash and whatever.
So you can find a link on our Amazon store
Yeah,
for the perfect washable tablecloth cover.
absolutely. Check it out.